Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this casket. In Turkish, it's called kasket. Kasket. It's a different version of a hat, and you can see the top is straight, and it's super easy. And it looks, I still have to crochet longer. It's still short, but I just wanted to do the introduction before it gets dark in here because it's almost 6 o'clock. The days are getting longer, but still. So I just wanted to show you how it looks like on my head before I post it on YouTube. So I hope you like this tutorial. It's a short, very easy, super easy to make casket hat. So let's get started on how to crochet this lovely hat. For today's tutorial, you need to crochet the crown area, and I did about 16 centimeter, so that's about 6.5 inches across when you measure it. And I will put the links on how to crochet because I already did the tutorial. I'm not going to go over this. And secondly, you need yarn, something like this. It can be any yarn. For me to crochet this, I couldn't find a thick yarn, so what I did is I had this in my stash. I just grabbed the closest color to it, gray, and this was in my stash. It's 100% wool, and I dropped the label. It doesn't have to be wool, it's just the closest color that I found. It's super wash, and but it was thin, so what I did is I did 2-ply. So I did 2 strands of it, and I crocheted it, and this texture gives you that thickness. That's why I use this method to crochet the crown area. These are yarns that I already had in my stash, but I went and I bought this. This was like $4.99 on sale at Michael's. I needed something furry, like eyelash, but something like this to crochet. And then what you need is, you need to, it says 6.5 crochet hook. So I'm just going to remove the label. And then this one is Red Heart, but it can be any. Doesn't have to be this brand. So let me see. I'm gonna pull it from the inside. It's way easier. Either you can knit, pick up stitches around this, or you can crochet. So I'm just gonna grab my 6.5 crochet. What did it say? 6.5. Okay, this one's a 6. So I'll grab my 6.5 crochet hook, and where did I do at the end? Dropped it, I think. Okay, so I'm just gonna do randomly. I might skip a couple of chains when I'm crocheting. So I'm just gonna grab this like this. I'm just gonna go, I don't know, maybe make double crochets, half double crochets. Yeah, let's make half double crochets. So I'm gonna skip one because this is gonna be pretty thick, just like this. And when you're crocheting, you can feel this line here, this cord. So that's how you crochet. I had a couple of tutorials on how to knit with eyelash yarn. So with how to crochet, you just feel the texture of that cord when you're crocheting. So you just go randomly. You don't have to follow any rules. It's just of crocheting. So I am going to crochet like this round and around until I have the length of my hat. In Turkish it's called kasket. So yeah, it's gonna take me a while, so I'm gonna go round and around. I'm just gonna grab my smaller crochet hook because these are tiny, right? Because I crocheted with the 3.5. Yeah, I would highly recommend you to crochet with a smaller crochet hook to give this thickness, because we want the top to be flat when you're wearing the hat. And then you just make a, it's way better like this. Make a half double crochets, just like this. And then I will cut this yarn while I'm weaving it. And then this is all you do. Here's the end of it. Okay, I will come back to show you when I do a couple of rows, just to give you. I will change my crochet hook when I'm crocheting. Just this first row, because of these holes are being too small, it's hard for the crochet hook to go through. But this is all I do, and you can't see anything because of the fur, the eyelash. But it gives you this nice texture. So I will come back, and you just do it spiral, nothing fancy, just round and around. I will come back to show you how to join up here, and this looks pretty nice. Yeah, when you lose your, here we are, can see it. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I came where the joint is. It's really hard to see, so just use your judgment. I changed my crochet hook to a bigger one. So what I'm going to do is just grab it like that. You can see the cord, so just go between and then continue crocheting like this, around and around. This is all you have to do. Just like this. Okay, so I will meet you at the end on how to crochet this gorgeous casket hat. Okay, so I have crocheted about 10 inches from where I changed the yarn, and then I'm just gonna cut this yarn. So I came here where I started, and then I just went a little bit further, so that's okay, no problem at all. And what we're going to do is I'm just gonna go and do a slip stitch and chain 1, 2, 3, 4, just to secure it. I felt that this yarn is same as eyelashes. You can buy the thicker fur yarn, I believe that's what's it called. And I do apologize, at the beginning of the introduction I said what did casket, I said casket. Actually this is a kalpak, and it's the name of the hat is called Kalpak, not casket. Casket is like a newsboy hat that we crochet. Yeah, and then I just weave this in, and then what you do is you fold this so it's double layer, and it protects your ears. Well, actually the yarn itself is super soft, right? And this is how it looks like when you when you fold it. Well, of course, it's going to look way better when you put it on your head. It's just that, just wanted to show you how it looks like. And there's plenty of yarn here. And I have other tutorials that I'm going to use this yarn for. So I would highly recommend this part to be like thick. So that's why I used two strand of this yarn. So I hope you liked this short tutorial. I had to share you how to crochet the Kalpak hat. And it looks fantastic on your head, and it's super soft and warm. I would highly recommend you to make one for yourself or for your loved ones to create this. And this is how it looks like when you put it on. Doesn't this look nice? I hope you like this tutorial. I would love you to crochet this one for yourself. Keep your head and ears warm and have fun with this hat while you're wearing it. Don't forget to remember me. Share this video with your friends and with your loved ones. And happy crocheting. Yes, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and have a fantastic day.